What is job share? At Better Life Maids, we have a unique pay-for-performance model called job share. Job share is really pretty simple once you get the basics down, and it allows you to make a higher hourly rate if you follow the system and provide excellent cleaning service. So how does it work? Job share is designed to allow you to make a higher hourly wage while you're cleaning homes. So it's going to be a higher hourly wage than if you just earned an hourly rate from start to finish. So again, you earn a higher hourly rate while cleaning. So we do our best to schedule you efficiently and to provide you with homes with accurate allowed hours. So it's very important that we do both of those things on our part to help you. So let's just go through an example to help you better understand this. So let's use 36% as the starting point for our job share percentage, or fee split as it shows in the software. So if the job is worth $219, at 36%, the job is worth $78.84 to the technician in this example. The allowed hours for this job are 3.49 hours. That's the time that we would expect this job to take for an average technician with average production, and again, that might increase over time. So we anticipate the average tech will get this done in 3.49 hours with an average of $22.59 per hour for the time spent cleaning. This tech got it done a little bit faster. So they averaged $23.53 in this example. So again, they were done in 3.35 hours, $23.53, and that's how we would come up with that hourly rate. This means this tech was more productive than the plan. We have a whole training on productivity, but in general, if you can work quickly and with purpose and follow our system, once you've been here for a few months, we expect that you'll be able to clean slightly faster than the allowed hours of most jobs. So does this mean you should just rush through your houses and get done faster than planned? No. Quality has to come first. Every job, you're getting a scorecard. We are charging a premium price to our customers and promising them a higher level of service, and they're going to let us know through these scorecards, through other methods, whether we're hitting those service levels. What it means, though, is that you need to stick to the plan, be aware of the time, and if you're going to go over, communicate with the office and let us know that there's something that might not be right. In your mobile app, when you're cleaning a home, in the top right corner, there'll always be a time telling you what time you should be finished. You should always be watching that. Coming back to quality, though, it has to come first. We expect that all of our technicians will maintain a quality score of at least 95%. You can see in this example 98%, and that most of their scorecards are going to come back as "we're thrilled, great work." So you must get a high enough response rate from your customers as well. We expect that if you clean 10 homes in a week, that 5 of them will rate your service, so at least a 50% response rate. We'll teach you how to get more scorecards and what to ask your customers in additional trainings. One more point on scorecards. You really want to get as many scorecards as you possibly can, because when you do, the scorecard will also ask your customers if they would like to leave a tip. So all of these tips that this technician received were due to credit card tips on the scorecard. In this example, $180 in additional wages was earned through tips. This is one of the most effective ways for you to increase your hourly rate, and this is not even included in the average of $22.50 that most of our technicians make. So back to job share. So now that you understand that you're guaranteed at least your $18 an hour, but you can earn more in the time that you're cleaning, what are the things that can affect job share? So we've talked about productivity, right? We have a whole other training on it, but just remember, hitting the assigned times is very important. Focus on your quality first, and your productivity will increase over time. Follow our system. Most techs are 10% faster than planned times after just a few short weeks, and if maybe a couple of months. Efficiency. This is another topic we cover in more detail later, but in general, this is how well we schedule you and how well you use your time between homes. If you take a lot of additional unnecessary stops and breaks between homes, This can negatively affect your efficiency, and it can lower your overall effective hourly wage. Again, you're going to be doing more time that's non-productive. Those non-productive hours are not the same wages that you're earning while cleaning, those higher hourly wages. We work really hard to create these efficient routes for you. We even think about how long it is between the houses, right? We're trying to keep that as minimal as possible. But even still, we're even looking at where you live and trying to create schedule efficiency as much as we possibly can. So when we're doing all of this, bear in mind you have some effect on efficiency. So if you can stick to your route, stick to those times, you'll earn a higher hourly rate. Quality is also really important. You can throw everything else out the window if you're not delivering great quality to your clients. We use the term consistently delightful to describe the service we provide. It's about the cleaning and the little details and the great customer service you provide along the way. If a customer complains about the service and a rush job that's not standards, in general, we'll schedule you to go back and touch up the job. This time is simply time against your guarantee rate of pay and has no job share. So in effect, you're basically just adding time to the original job that you probably should have spent there to begin with. But sometimes, if the complaint is severe enough and the customer has lost faith in you, we may have to send another team to redo the job. If that happens, the job share for that job will be removed from you and given to the team that completes the job. This can have a very detrimental effect on your effective hourly rate and may pull you down to guarantee. So just to recap, job share will allow you to earn a higher hourly rate than had you just been being paid an hourly. But it does matter how well you clean and following those standards and maintaining them. I want to show you just a quick example, though, of an employee that probably could have spent a little extra time in this job. So this job had an allowed hour of 3.33 to be exact. 2.33 was actually done, and they shorted this customer effectively an hour. So the customer didn't complain, but they gave a 3. That's good, but when your mark is to have a 95 to reach bonus and you're trying to get more tips, this is not good enough for our standards. So, while it's not severe enough to be considered a complaint, it is not necessarily excellent. So, quality matters. And just because you can get done faster doesn't mean you should. It needs to be done to those standards that are going to A, help you reach your quality bonus, and B, get those higher tips and excellent scores from your customers. In 2022, our average tech is earning $22.50 with job share before tips or other available bonuses. So again, if you're doing the system right, you will earn a higher wage. So continue to watch the rest of the videos in this series that help you better maximize your earnings at Better Life Maids. Thanks for watching.